Hi, I'm Marcia from Guardair, and this is the Inforcer Safety Air Gun. Designed for heavy-duty industrial, construction site, and highway maintenance applications, the Inforcer is one of the most powerful air guns in the Guardair lineup. Delivering up to 12 pounds of output thrust, the Inforcer comes equipped with either a high-power Venturi nozzle or a low-noise patented Quiet Force nozzle. Both nozzles are designed to be powered by standard shop compressed air or a 185 CFM tow-behind air compressor. Both nozzles are fully OSHA compliant, making the Inforcer the preferred safe alternative to dangerous, non-compliant homemade air lances. Featuring all aluminum construction, the lightweight but rugged Inforcer is built to take the toughest abuse. With a comfortable, thermally insulated, inline style design, the Inforcer handle also features a dead man trigger to ensure operator safety. The gun can either be actuated with the trigger positioned on the bottom of the handle or with the trigger positioned on the top of the handle. The Inforcer includes a fully adjustable auxiliary handle for secure two-handed operator control. The Inforcer is available with heavy-duty aluminum extensions ranging from 24 to 72 inches. Supply compressed air to the gun via the 3/4-inch FMPT inlet, and you're good to go. Visit our website for more information.